Hello. Today we're at
한라산.
It's a mountain beautiful in all four seasons.
날씨.
Means the weather. Clear, cloudy, rain, snow, it changes every day. When you meet someone, ask,
날씨가 어때요?
how's the weather? A great way to start a chat. Korea has four seasons. We call them
사계절. 봄,
spring,
여름,
summer,
가을,
fall,
겨울.
winter. Hallasan changes clothes each season. Shall we meet Hallasan's four seasons one by one? The weather and scenery change each time.
에는,
Marks a season.
봄에는,
In spring.
겨울에는,
In winter. Let's start with spring. Shall we go to Hallasan in spring?
봄,
Spring. The frozen ground melts and days grow warm.
따뜻하다.
To be warm. Spring isn't cold or hot. Just right.
봄에는 따뜻해요.
In spring it's warm. Add.
아요, 어요.
To adjectives.
꽃이 피다.
Flowers bloom. In spring flowers open up. This is.
선jak지wat.
In spring royal azaleas bloom like a pink sea. A garden in the sky.
벚꽃.
Cherry blossom. When wind blows petals fly like snow.
바람이 불다.
The wind blows. Spring wind is soft and warm.
봄바람이 불어요.
Spring wind blows. Use.
가 불다.
For wind.
맞다.
To be clear. No clouds, blue sky.
오늘은 맑아요.
It's clear today. On a warm clear spring day we go on a
소풍.
picnic. Jieun is excited. In spring wear light clothes. A cardigan is enough. Spring.
따뜻하다.
Warm.
꽃이 피다.
Bloom.
바람이 불다.
Windy. Remember. After spring, it gets hotter and hotter. Now it's summer. Let me change clothes. Now it's
여름.
summer. Hallasan is lush and green all over.
덥다.
To be hot. Summer is very hot.
너무 더워요.
So hot.
여름에는 더워요.
In summer it's hot. The opposite is
춥다.
cold.
습하다.
To be humid. Korean summer is hot and humid. Sticky. Summer has
장마.
the rainy season. It rains a lot.
비가 와요.
It rains.
가 오다. 비가 오다.
Rain.
눈이 오다.
Snow. Use
오다.
for what falls from the sky. When it rains wear a
우비.
raincoat and use a
우산.
umbrella. Jieun in a yellow raincoat. In summer,
소나기.
sudden shower can pour down hard and brief. After rain,
사라오름.
forms a lake in its crater. So mystical. Rain stops, step into shade.
시원하다.
Cool. Refreshing. On a hot day head to
돈네코.
valley. Emerald water so cool. In hot summer eat cool.
수박.
Watermelon. The best. In summer wear
반팔.
short sleeves and
반바지.
shorts. Stay cool. Summer.
덥다.
Hot.
습하다.
Humid.
비가 오다.
Rains. Don't forget your umbrella. After the hot summer, cool autumn comes. Let me change clothes. Now it's
가을.
autumn. Hallasan is starting to turn red. Autumn is
선선하다.
crisp. Not hot, not cold. Just right.
가을에는 시원해요.
In autumn it's cool. A great season for a walk.
하늘이 높다.
The sky is high. Autumn sky is high and blue.
단풍.
Autumn foliage. Leaves turn red and yellow. This is
영실기암.
foliage on these screen-like cliffs. Hallasan's finest view.
단풍이 들다.
Leaves change color. Hallasan turns red, orange, and yellow. Autumn.
사라오름.
Reflects foliage in its crater lake like a painting. Fallen leaves are.
낙엽.
Step on them, crunch, crunch.
건조하다.
To be dry. Autumn air is dry, not moist.
어리목.
Silver.
억새.
Grass sways in the wind. Deep autumn. Autumn has tasty food.
감.
Persimmon.
밤.
Chestnut.
고구마.
Sweet potato. A full belly season. In autumn wear
긴팔.
long sleeves with a light jacket. Chilly mornings and evenings. As autumn deepens, now comes cold winter. Let me bundle up. Now it's
겨울.
winter. White snow begins to fall on Hallasan.
춥다.
To be cold. Winter is very cold.
너무 추워요.
So cold.
겨울에는 추워요.
In winter it's cold. The opposite of springs.
따뜻하다.
The season's first snow is
첫눈.
such an exciting moment.
눈이 와요.
It's snowing. White snow falls thick and fast.
비가 오다.
Rain.
눈이 오다.
Snow. Both use.
가오다.
When snow piles up, make it
눈사람.
snowman. Jieun is building one. Have a
눈싸움.
snowball fight with friends. Winter fun.
얼다.
To freeze. When it's cold, water freezes. Rivers freeze, hands freeze. Below zero is
영하. 오늘은 영하 5도예요.
it's -5 degrees Celsius today.
천백고지.
Ice flowers bloom on branches.
상고대.
Sparkling like jewels. In winter wear thick clothes, sweater, coat, and a scarf. But Hallasan's peak is even colder. This isn't enough. So I got fully ready. A thick long padded coat, fur hat, scarf, and gloves.
방한복.
Now I'm not cold at all. Winter gear is the best. Now let's go up to Baengnokdam at the very top. Let's start our
등산.
hike. Up we go. The peak at last. Snow-covered.
백록담.
A white crater holding the whole world. Snowy Hallasan is truly magnificent. A white world unfolds. Winter.
춥다.
Cold.
눈이 오다.
Snows.
얼다.
Freeze.
첫눈. 상고대.
Bundle up. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. We circled all of Hallasan.
따뜻하다.
warm,
덥다.
hot,
시원하다.
cool,
춥다.
cold. Each season differs.
비가 와요.
Rain,
눈이 와요.
snow,
바람이 불어요.
wind. Remember? Which season do you like? Me, I like them all. Hallasan shows a different face each season. What a wonderful mountain. See you next time. Goodbye.